Okay, so here we have a table with a lot of things. And here we have the names of these things. We have to put the names to the pictures. So number 1 is cereal. Yes. What is number 2? Number 2. Can you write in your copybooks? Number 2 is tea. What's number 3? Number 3 is toast. Do you agree? What is number 4? Number 4 is porridge. What about number 5? Number 5 is pickles. And number 6 is soup. Have you got the same? Let's check. Yes, it was very good. Excellent. Congratulations. So we are ready for another exercise. We have to choose here. In Britain, children often have milk and cereal or tea and cereal. What do you think? I vote for milk and cereal. Number 2, people in Japan or people in South Africa have corn porridge for breakfast. In Japan they had a lot of things. No, they had pickles and fish. I think it is people in South Africa. What do you think? Let's go to number 3. Some people in Japan or some people in the UK eat a big breakfast. In the UK they have tea and toast. But in Japan they have fish and pickles and vegetables. I think that some people in Japan eat a big breakfast. So now I'm ready for number 4. In Japan, some people have fish for breakfast. In Japan, some people have toast for breakfast. That's easy. In Japan, some people have fish for breakfast. Okay, let's check. Yes, it was excellent. Good. Now you can do the same exercises in your activity books.